Hi, this video explains how to access library resources on the library main page. On our Kingsborough Library main page, you will see links to databases or a search box that would help you to find resources like articles, books, ebooks, and other materials on our library catalog, the OneSearch system. If you're using any of them, you will likely let me, for our situation, get into the list of databases to show you. Here's the list of databases. I will try to get into Academic Search Complete. So if you click on any link from a library resource, it will take you to this window that requires you to input the library barcode to open up this resource. As of now, July 2020, you will see an additional message right under the login button. It says log in with your CUNY login credentials. So if you are not sure whether you have activated the barcode, if you have a problem with the barcode, you are also able to open up the library resource using your CUNYFirst account. So you input the username and the password and click on the login button to open the resource. If you have not accessed this account for some time, chances are you may not remember the password or the username, or you may have to reset either one. If that is the case, you can click on Manage Your Account to reset the two. But as you see, as of now, you are able to open up the library resource using either the library barcode on your college ID card or, at this point, your CUNYFirst account. If you're not sure, contact the Student Help Desk for CUNYFirst from the IT department. The email address and phone number are provided right here. So that's it. Thank you.